Hello students, I hope you're all having a wonderful day. For today's lesson, I'd like you to watch The Lottery short film that was released in 1969. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. As you can see here, it's only about 18 minutes. It just gives a really interesting depiction of the short story that we read yesterday. So I would really like for you to take a look at it, and let's go ahead and look at our assignment for today. It is the Lottery vocabulary, character chart, symbolism analysis, and theme identification assignment. So part 1 is vocab. The directions state, using Merriam-Webster.com, look up the following words and type their definitions in the appropriate boxes below. So you're looking up jovial, boisterous, and ritual. Next, using your short story, identify who each character is below, then identify some of their characteristics. So you're identifying Bobby Martin, Tessie Hutchins, Mr. Graves, Old Man Warner, and Mr. Summers. You're identifying who the person is and some of their character traits. So who is this person in the story? And some of their character traits like looks, mannerism, traits, quotes, etc. Next, symbolism analysis. So take a look at the two symbols listed below. I want you to identify what role each specific symbol had in the story. Then I want you to explain what the symbol represents, what was the different meaning than what was intended. So the two symbols are the black box and the lottery. I want you to talk about what role did this symbol have in the story, and then what did the symbol represent. Last but not least is theme identification. Take a look at the themes listed below. First, I want you to identify how these are the themes, underlying meanings of the story, then identify where we see these themes in the short story. So there are 3 themes here: violence, death, and murder. How are these themes the underlying meaning of the story, and then where do we see these themes in the short story? Please let me know if you have any questions, and have a good day.